In this segment, we will be looking at the newest version of the Easy Interactive Tools, version 2.1. This version includes the ability to not only annotate over a PowerPoint, but then prompt you to save your annotations directly on the PowerPoint slide. When you enter slideshow mode, you should see a floating dialog box. You can control the PowerPoint with the up and down arrows to go forward and backward in the slides, or click the arrow on the right to expand the dialog box to reveal annotating and highlighting tools from the Easy Interactive Tool menu. The dialog box can be moved around for easy access and to prevent obstruction of PowerPoint slide information. Advance slides by clicking on the up and down arrow, and then choose the Pen tool to begin to annotate on the slide. You can also use the Highlighter tool to draw students' attention to a particular area on the slide. In this example, we have an image that we want to discuss with our students. After selecting the Pen tool, I can identify specific areas of the image to draw my students' focus. You may also want to use this as a review quiz, as students would have to identify different parts of the image. With the PowerPoint annotation tool, teachers can create interactive PowerPoint presentations that allow students to work with different pen colors to create interactive worksheets. Graphic organizers are a great way for students to visualize information. When using Easy Interactive Tools with PowerPoint, teachers can create graphic organizers with whole class participation. In this example, students can collaborate as a group to identify an event and the causes of the event. Letting students use different pen colors can identify different revisions as students work towards a final product. Sometimes it's great to have students create their own free-form graphic organizer. With the Easy Interactive Tools, students can create, revisit, and edit information as required. These great features are possible with version 2.1 of the Easy Interactive Tools. When you close the PowerPoint, you will be prompted to save your annotations directly into the PowerPoint as ink annotations. For more help and great ideas on how to use the Epson BrightLink projector in your classroom, visit epson.com/BrightLink.